I'm glad to have you here once again. So, gas pressure measurement. Sorry, I forgot to write the topic before putting down the notes. Okay, so the pressure of a gas is measured using a manometer, which could be water or mercury manometer. So this is how a manometer is. So this is where the gas supply comes from. So this is what we call the gas pressure. That's small letter P at X, and then we have the atmospheric pressure, which is capital letter P, and then we have the height. Remember what I said in the previous video, that the reason why we're dealing with gravity is because we have height. Okay, so this that fill the spots is what we call is the water. So let's put down a formula in which we are going to be using to solve question. Okay, so the gas pressure, small letter P at X, equal to the pressure in the liquid at Z, this Z. Okay, and the pressure in the liquid at Z is the atmospheric pressure, this that's on top, plus the pressure due to water column YZ, this is YZ. From this point, the difference, okay, so that's H. Now, that gives us the formula, which is small letter P. What is small letter P again? That's gas pressure equals to the atmospheric pressure plus the height. So very good students should know what the units should give us. What's the unit for gas pressure? Is actually centimeter or millimeter. It's actually meter. Do you understand? So the standard unit for length or height is meter. Every other thing that is going to be said before meter are what we call prefix. And then the video you can check. I've done a justification to prefix in physics. So that's the formula that we're going to be dealing with this. Okay, what if we have this kind of diagram? Okay, so what formula we're going to be using, and then what we have here this time around is not water, it's mercury. So what's the formula? And then you need to note something. There is an opening here. In this case, there's no opening. So the formula definitely is going to be different. Okay, so the formula for this is the atmospheric pressure P, that's the capital letter P, acting at equal to the pressure of the mercury at M. Okay, so now the gas pressure, that's small letter P, plus the pressure due to the mercury column held M, that's this difference minus the beginning, the where this height is, and the difference to the pressure, and then this is the height. So it means atmospheric pressure, this one acting at L, equal to the gas pressure P plus the mercury column, which is Helm, and that's our height here. So if we make P subject formula, we're going to be having gas pressure equal to the atmospheric pressure minus the height. Let's dive into some examples, and I hope at the end of this you are going to understand how to calculate gas pressure measurement. Okay, so this is a jump question 1988. When one arm of a U2 manometer is connected to a gas supply, the level of mercury in the two arms of the U2 are shown in the diagram below. This is the diagram. Okay. If the atmospheric pressure is 760 millimeter of mercury, that's the symbol for mercury, Hg. Okay. What is the gas pressure? Okay, now let's put down some some value. Let's break down those English into mathematical terms. Okay, so solution. Let's look for important keywords. They say if the atmospheric pressure, that's capital letter P, equal to 760 millimeter of mercury. Okay, we're asked to calculate the gas pressure, that's small letter P. Now, what is missing now is the height. The question is, how do we calculate the height? How we calculate the height from the initial video that, the initial discussion we had. You can see where the height is. The height of the mercury column, which is YZ. In this case, what will it be? It will be the difference between let's say the height will be this. The beginning of this. This is where our height is going to be. So we need to calculate that. Okay, so if the height from here to here is 13.4 centimeter, and then we have this height which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. The question now is, what is this height? The height is very simple to calculate. It will be 13.4 centimeter minus 3.5 centimeter, which will be equal to 9.9 centimeter. Now, in physics, we need to pay attention to units. It's very, very important. Now we have in centimeter and then we have in millimeter. All this, we can't operate with this until those units are the same. So we're having a prefix of milli and we're having a prefix of centi. So let's convert, let's choose one. Let's convert centimeter to millimeter. If you don't understand how to convert, you just check in the video that has to do with prefix in physics and its conversion. So to convert centimeter to millimeter, I'm just going to multiply it by 10 to give me millimeter. So that will give me 99 millimeter. The next thing, I can just go straight and put in my formula, which says gas pressure equal to the atmospheric pressure plus the height. So the atmospheric pressure is 760 millimeter of mercury plus the pressure due to the water column, to the mercury column, millimeter. So this will give me, let's say 9, we have 5, and then we have 8 millimeter. Okay, so that's very, very simple. That's the answer. 859 millimeter of mercury. Now, if you are asked, or in your option, what you see is centimeter, you can actually convert. To convert millimeter to centimeter, we're going to just divide by 10. So it is equivalent to 85.9 centimeter. Okay, let's go to the next question. And I love that question so much. So pay attention.